Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Mega Fun Obby 1785 stages. 1785 stages. Not 1785. Jesus. I just gotta wait for it to load. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yep, I was playing this game. I played this game in one of my, oh, jeez, so many pop-ups. I think I played this in one of my other videos. My, what just happened? Oh. Okay. I must have accidentally. Now. I guess I can talk about my YouTube channel. One of my other videos, my latest video, the rock one, I was super tired when I made that video. So that's why I didn't talk much in it. And now I'm gonna try to upload videos every day instead of just once a week. And I might upload a video every day, at least 4 or more days a week. And yeah, oh come on, I don't know what I was saying earlier, but yeah, had to pause the recording. Oh, for a second. This seems awfully easy. Okay. That wasn't too difficult. Now up we go. I've also noticed I only get like 4 or 6 views every video, which isn't bad obviously, because I only have like 6 subscribers, I think. Well, as of now. And I don't really care. I don't know, like uploading videos to YouTube of what I do. Also, one time I recorded, like, a long time ago, there's this game called Bloodfest, and I recorded me like winning all by myself or getting the highest score or something. I don't know, I don't remember, but it's gone sadly because my computer got messed up a while ago and they had to change like the hard drive thingy. I don't know, my dad had to because he's a computer dude. No, I don't need to use Robux. I already spent enough. Why can't I make the simplest jumps? And then I make the more difficult jumps, which is annoying. And also, you've probably been noticing that I've been talking about my game a lot. That's the last time I'm going to talk about it, because I'm only going to start talking about it again once it's in the alpha stage, or if it's like a trailer or something, I don't know. It's all made by me and one other person. One other person made the Soul Desert, which is the green one, and I technically made the rest. Also, my friend was working on a new creature called the Minotaur. Not the Minotaur. It's similar to the Minotaur, and it's called the Avox or not Avox, but something. What's an Avox? I remember it. Let me search it up. Just a second. I don't even see my recording pause button. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'll be back in a sec. ROBLOX is something. It's like a company. One thing or something, I don't know. It's like, is this like one of those see-through thingies? I'm not gonna touch the pink now. I'm just gonna forget about it. What is this one, like oofers? No oofers. You can megaphone Obby too. Okay. You guys can tell me what games you want me to play. I've mostly been playing ROBLOX because I don't really play many other games. I used to play Minecraft, but like I said, my computer got messed up, so I don't have Minecraft anymore, sadly. I don't play Minecraft very often anyway. And I would make a Minecraft video, and I would make more mobile videos like that game. I forgot what it's called because I haven't played it in a while. It's like that robot game. And maybe Pixel Gun 3D, which is like similar to Minecraft, except it's a gun game, and it's not. The only thing that's similar is the blockiness of it, I guess. What's this? Be a part of game's history. Are you interested to be a part of the game history? Well, the race is to collect all pets have begun. The first 10 players to collect all 26 pets in the game will get a statue of their characters built in the upcoming Megatown update. You have collected 0 out of 26 pets. Okay. And then, what's this book? No. I don't think I would get any of the pets, and I don't even know what they are. I'm on stage 90, and there's like 1,000 of them. Oh. Yeah, there's like 1,000 stages. Doesn't seem to be. Oh, there's like a teleporter. Maybe there's more stages around. But yeah, over there. I don't know. I don't like this one. Just run and jump, I guess. Yeah, if that worked. Let's keep going. I almost failed that jump. I'm about to get a job, so no. I'm about to get a job, so soon I'll have a, webcam and better microphone, because the one I'm using isn't very good. Also, I can buy a better editing software, because I know how to edit, I know how to Photoshop, I know all that stuff. I just don't have the stuff to do it. Also, next I would like to oh, I forgot what I was saying. I don't know. I'm also starting to, have a problem where I forget things a little more often. Oh yeah, I was talking about that thing. Oh yeah, recording audio from the computer, like whatever noises it makes and stuff, like music and stuff. I don't really like doing it because I did it once, but I'm worried about copyright. Not like anyone would really notice because I'm such a small YouTuber. I don't think I'll be that big of a YouTuber. I'm hoping to become an animator or a coder. Oh, that's why. That wasn't too difficult. More checker lasers. This is one of the easiest ones. And also, it's one of the most like one of the ones that are used most in obbies. This one too. Like in obbies, even those are like the transparent thingies, not transparent, like the colliding thing, where if you can't collide with it, you fall through it, and then yeah, 110. Oh, I should have died there. Not complaining. I used to want to try to be like other YouTubers, but I'm thinking, like, no one really knows about me, so I can act how I want. Also, I don't want to be one of those people who are like trying to be someone who he can't be or shouldn't really be trying to be. I like Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, people like that. I even used to watch the NTDM. I was thinking, oh, what if I became a YouTuber? That's why I'm a YouTuber now. But I don't know. Do these things kill you? Yep, they do. Or not really. They just teleport. Seems more teleporting than killing because you don't have like a thing. Let's see, more of these. Is this supposed to be more difficult? You can see them pretty clearly. I should have died there. I saw myself walk on it for a second. Okay. I'm not one of those raging people either. I don't rage very easily. Or if I do, I'm silent about it and I just leave the game if I get too angry. I never yell though. That's because, I don't know. After I make this one, I'm gonna end the video because why not? I'm gonna end the video here. That's weird. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh jeez. Okay. That's pretty scary or spooky. Well, bye.